Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you where to Guasa for flu and high fever. From my clinical studies, Guasa are very effective to treat flu and fever. When there is sign of flu or fever going to appear, start to do the Guasa treatment immediately and the person should recover very fast without even taking any medication. And for the fever, just do a 15 minutes Guasa and you will see a very good result. For flu and high fever, this is the diagram where you can find the book in the Elgin product guide. You just Guasa the area according to the area in red. It's very easy, refer to the book only. So you start with the Guasa on the head area. So as I say, the head is without using any Guasa oil. You Guasa the head, behind the ear area, Guasa about 30 times, downwards area with a moderate strength. Just Guasa the whole head area, just like you are combing your hair only, to the left and right and left. Just Guasa the whole area using a moderate strength to activate the cell in the brain. Then there's an important point called Feng Che. The area here, you apply a little bit of oil, even out, and then you start to Guasa about 30 times until the SAR appear, as you can see in the video here. You Guasa 30 times. This is to activate the cell in your body and to activate the antibody in your body. Once you do this Guasa in this neck area, Feng Che area, you will feel very light and very good. This is the chest area. You just Guasa from the middle to the outer area. And there's two important points here called Zhongfu. So you apply a thin layer of oil, Elgin Guasa oil, and then you even out the oil and start Guasa from the middle to the out. So you Guasa from inside to outside. As you see in the video here, Guasa all the way about 30 times, moderate strength, until you can see the SAR appear. So you Guasa all the way to the Zhongfu area. Once you do this Guasa, it's especially effective for people who got breathing problem, and like when you have flu, you sure have breathing problem. So this is the area when you Guasa, you will see the red patches appear. The more the red patches appear, the worse the area, the worse the condition is. This is another place, another main meridian called Tan Chong. This is a point here. You can see the presently doing Guasa one is called Zhongfu. It's a very good and very effective point, and you must do the Guasa on this very important meridian point. So just Guasa, then the hand area, just apply a thin layer of oil, and then after that do about 30 times of Guasa. Just activate the cell according to the book. And then there's a point here called Hegu. You Guasa about 30 times, downwards area, moderate strength. Hegu is very effective for any problem related to your head, like headache or you got fever, things like that. After you finish, you just go to the back and you start to apply the thin layer of Elgin Guasa oil. Then even out the oil and start to do the Guasa about 30 times. So for big size people, you use a harder strength. For moderate people, you just moderate strength only. So this is how you do the Guasa about 30 times. You scrub downwards area until the SAR appear. Then the distance of 2 finger, you Guasa the next meridian line about 30 times or so until the SAR appear. So you just scrub, moderate strength, and the SAR will definitely appear if you have problem. Then 2 finger again to the other side. The distance of 2 finger to the other side. Then after that, finish. You go to the leg area. This is from the outside, the leg outside. You put a thin layer and you scrub this area, and this is the leg from the inside, the yin area. Apply a thin layer of oil, and then you start to Guasa until you activate the point, and the person will feel very much relief after this Guasa. Then at the elbow area, put a little bit of oil, as you can see in the video here. Even out the oil and start to activate this important point of meridian as well. Just activate it and you'll see a difference. Do this continuously until you feel better.